Today, I want to talk about the difference between taxable fringe benefits and de minimis fringe benefits, like this cake I got for Terrence. Welcome to Accounting How To. I'm your host, Carolyn Grimm, and that's my sidekick, Terrence. And we're here to put the fun in accounting fundamentals. Let's start this party by talking about what a fringe benefit is. So, a fringe benefit is anything that's paid to an employee or for the benefit of an employee that's above and beyond the base compensation that an employee receives. Generally, unless specifically excluded, all fringe benefits are subject to both income tax and payroll taxes. Let me use some examples to explain. If I, as the owner of my company, buy Terrence, my employee, a cake to celebrate his hatch day, that's considered de minimis, and it's not taxable to him as an employee. It's just a nice little thing I do for him. You're welcome, Terrence. Now, if I allow Terrence personal use of the company car so he can go on vacation, that's a taxable benefit to him, just as though I gave him company cash and said, "Hey, fill up the gas tank on me, big buddy." The value of the personal use of that car is taxable income to Terrence, and it's taxable income for payroll taxes as well to both Terrence and me as the company. Now, if I pay Terrence a cash bonus, that ain't happening. It's still taxable income to Terrence, and it needs to be run through payroll and taxed both to the company and Terrence through payroll taxes and to Terrence's income taxes. Now, if I pay Terrence's rent, that is income for Terrence. He needs to pay taxes on that, and he and the company need to pay payroll taxes on that value. Any taxable fringe benefits are reported on the employee's W-2. Some companies try to avoid the payroll taxes by compensating employees with fringe benefits and not including them on the W-2. Well, that's tax fraud. And since neither Terrence nor I look good in orange, we just don't do that. It saves a whole lot of headaches. Until next time, stay balanced, my friends.